Welcome back to another lesson. This lesson we're doing cloud functions. So basically the point of this is someone writes your message in, say you had a message app, someone write hello. In the database it would update your messages hello, and then you can set up a listener through Firebase cloud functions that will say that you got a message, and then it will update the app. So, and then you'll get a notification, like on your phone when you get a notification saying you got a message. You can achieve that through doing this. So I hope that makes sense. So come into your app, you're gonna log in, go get started here. I've already done this, but copy this and go into your terminal. Make sure you're in your actual project, and if you get some sort of error, just put sudo sudo and then this. So continue through here. Okay, and then I haven't done the Firebase init, so we'll do that now. Oh, sorry, first go Firebase login. It'll probably say you've already logged in as this as it did for me. So that's a sudo I said before. Okay, then you're going to go Firebase init. So this initializes Firebase in your project. Okay, so we want to do here database, we've already done it. Spacebar to go through them. What do we want? Sorry, spacebar to select, up and down to go through them. We want functions and hosting, and that's it. Enter. Use existing project. Yes. Okay, want to go to the one you're using, so it's great for me. JavaScript, yes. ESlint, no. And install dependencies, yes. And maybe just skip through this bit until it loads. It's going to be sitting here waiting. And this is my old computer, so it might be quite slow. Baby. Do you want to use your public directory? So the build folder. Single page, yes. Sorry about it, I just cut out. So you go build, then yes. That build thing, that's giving you a build file. So your whole project is in that build file. And then when you're going to go to hosting, that's what you update to the hosting. Okay, so after this, I had to quit this because I had the node 8. You actually need node 10. So if that's a problem for you, just Google update node.js, and then it's pretty much saying do that. Come in here, you probably have 8 here, change that to 10, or that's what I have to do anyway. Maybe you've already got everything sorted. So anyway, you go to functions, you have this new functions folder here. Come into index.js. This will be commented, uncomment this, command S, then we go firebase deploy -- only functions. Enter. That should go well. My computer might take a while. I've actually already done this, so yeah, we'll go through this. I've already actually done it, so once you've done that, come to here, go to your functions, dashboard. You want to copy this, which I've already done, this bit here, and then paste it here, press enter. So when you go into this, it's going to make a request, and then they're going to send this response, which will be that. So you'll see here, if you went like this, press save, Firebase deploy -- only functions again. It's going to update this function, and yeah, then you can see it again in here. So copy that and it'll give you whatever you typed in there. So that's the basic one. And coming up, we're going to be doing ones that's different to this one. So when you, I think I said this before, but when you send a value to the database, we're going to have a listener in messages, sorry, in posts. So when there's a new post, we're going to have a listener for that, and it's going to make a request, and then we're going to get a response, which will give us a notification that someone's made a post. It'll make more sense in the coming up lessons. So I'll see you then. Any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll answer them as soon as possible.